SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to update an app on an iPhone 15. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you have a lot of apps installed on your iPhone, then it's likely that you're going to need to update some of those apps over time. Often when an app update is available, you're going to see a little red circle with a white number on it in the top right corner of the App Store. That typically indicates the number of apps with available updates. So if you'd like to install some of these app updates, then you can open the App Store, and then you can tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now you can just scroll down until you find the app whose update you would like to install, and then you can tap the update button to the right of that app to install that update. Note that if you have multiple app updates available, then you're going to see an update all option here under available updates. So if you'd like to install all of these app updates, then you can just tap on this button, and then your iPhone will slowly go through and start to install all of the app updates that are available on your device. If you don't want to take care of this manually and you would prefer to let your iPhone handle it, then you can also elect to turn on an option to automatically install these updates. You can do this by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the App Store option from this menu, and then you can scroll down again and tap the button to the right of App Updates under Automatic Downloads. One other setting to be concerned about here is this Automatic Downloads option under Cellular Data. If this is turned on, then your iPhone is going to use cellular data to install anything that you have turned on here, including app updates. If you don't want your iPhone to use cellular data for this, then you can just tap the button to the right of Automatic Downloads to turn it off. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.